Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Des and you're watching DesTheFashionEater. And in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. It is only 40 bucks. That is pretty good for a foundation in Sephora because some of them can be $50, $60. So on half of my face, I'm going to use my hand, and then on my other half, I'm going to be using a beauty blender. So that way people who like to rub it in naturally or like to use a beauty blender can see the different results that we're going to get. So let's get started. So I'm going in with a NARS pot concealer because I want the look to be very natural. The face and body foundation is definitely not super high coverage. I'm sure you can build it up if you want to with a flat kabuki brush, but I like how it looks now. Natural-ish. Obviously not 100% natural, but natural-ish. Ha ha ha. Okay. So yeah, this is my makeup. I really like how it came out. I am loving it. Before, I wasn't sure if I should switch from the shade 5N to 5W, but this shade is beautiful, and I'm definitely going to be taking it to Bahamas. So later in the day, I'll show you if it creases, whatever the case is. This is a little bit more coverage because I did do 2 layers and with a beauty blender, and I feel like the side with my finger is a natural look, but I do like the fact that you can do it with your hand and it still looks good. So we're gonna take you along the day because Tara's gonna show me around town, and boom shabamsies. Keep watching. Oh, by the way, I put on NARS and everything blended well. It didn't like get muddy or smudge around, so that's what I really love. All right, I'll be back with the claims. Hello and welcome back to the ending and whether you should buy this or not. So the end of my foundation review videos, I like to go over the claims that they say on the website. So I'm on Dior's website right now. One thing that I did want to point out is that they do have 40 shades and 6 different undertones. So if you feel that you pull more yellow, more red, they probably have a shade for you. Even my shade, I wasn't sure. I was thinking that this is too dark for me, but this is spot on. And I do have clips to show you that the line here is really smooth. Like there wasn't any weird neck, even though I did put a little bit on my neck. My shade comes in 5N, 5W, and 5WP, so there's 3 to choose from. I would just definitely go into a store, whether it's Sephora, Nordstrom, wherever you can pick this up, instead of just buying it online. I'm just not trusting foundation online. We're just not gonna do that. Yes, and like I said before, it is very light coverage to medium coverage, and you can build it up. Confirmed on the website, it's supposed to be light. You can wear it medium if you want, or build it up as high coverage as you want. Another thing that I didn't know about this foundation is that it's waterproof, and I didn't plan on putting my face in water, but it rained today and I did get water on my face and my makeup looks just fine. I would definitely wear this makeup again. If I had to repurchase it, I would repurchase it again. It's pretty humid here in Florida, and in my opinion, it did a good job. I put it on at 4. It's after 10 now. It's almost 11. So that's like 7 hours. Is that 7 hours?
Yes.
7 hours, and around 7 o'clock, I'll also include clips from that.
I got a burger, and I got beef because I don't want chicken. Because if you want a burger, eat a burger. Eat it. Eat it. Yeah, with everything on it.
My nose was a little bit oily, and I have combination skin, so that means I'm dry, but I'm also oily in my T-zone areas, so my forehead, my nose, and my cheeks. And I did have wrinkle lines because I have them all the time, even when I'm not wearing makeup. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe, like, comment below if you're gonna buy this foundation, and if not this foundation, what foundation do you want me to try? I will see you in my next video. Goodbye. That rhymes. Like my schoolboy outfit. This part I don't even talk. I just, yeah, no. If you didn't press play and I did all that, I got super nervous. You, me. Hey, wait. Where are you? Here. Can you bring the backup battery? This one's already dying. Yeah. Please and thank you. This is Katera. You can come closer. This ain't an autofocus camera, girl. This is my best friend, wife, wizard. Follow me on Instagram so you know what that means. You gotta plug everywhere. If you get mouthwash on me, it's not like it was coming out. Oh, my white shirt. This is a success. I didn't get makeup on my shirt. I'm done. Yeah, but besides when she's not trying to spit mouthwash on me, she's loving me all the time.